Okay, in this example, let's assume that we're going to, we've got an apartment, we've got an extra bedroom in the apartment, and we're going to rent it out to a buddy for, let's say, $200 a month. Okay, and we're going to take that money and we're going to put it in the bank, there's a bank. We're going to get some interest. Remember, interest is the money that somebody's paying you to use your money. So you're going to give them the money, and let's say you're going to put it in. Um, and let's just say is you're gonna hold it and then you're gonna put it in once per year. So it's $200 a month. So that's actually going to be um, $1,200 for the year. I'm sorry, $2,400 for the year, right? So you get $2,400 each year. Okay. 12 months times $200 per month. Okay. What we're trying to figure, that's the current value, that's the present value, but we put a negative because we're going to be putting it away. We're going to be putting it in an investment, either a bank or a CD or something that'll give us some money for using our money. So we give them the money we store it for them. For us, we're just storing it. We're not spending it. We're storing it, but they're going to get to use it. The bank's going to get to use it, or the company that you buy stock in, they're going to be using your money to make more money. So they're going to pay you something for that, and that's called the interest rate. Okay, and this is in an annual interest rate, and so we're going to put this in it. Let's just say we get 4% return, which is a low return, but it's probably less risky depending on what you put it in. There are some stocks, for example, that really they're not very risky at all. I mean, Walmart's not a big risk, but there are some stocks out there. If you put money in the stock market and bought those stocks, that you don't know what you're going to get. So you'd want to get a bigger interest rate for it. So anyway, we're just going to assume a 4%, which is a pretty good rate at this moment, anyway. Um, Depending on when you're listening to this video. But let's say we're going to do this for 2 years. We're going to get basically two payments once per year, 2 years. And so we're going to do it annually. Now, if we were going to do it monthly, we could put monthly payments in here, and then we'd have to put monthly payments in here, and then we would have to put the number of periods. But that's also a little complicated because it's not really always compounded monthly. It might, when is the interest actually calculated? Is it at the end of the year or is it every month? So there's different ways of doing that. Just to simplify it, let's just say that we're going to get two payments of $2,400, annual rate of return 4%, and that's just going to be for 2 periods annually. And so what we're trying to find out is, what is our money going to be worth? And so it looks like if your buddy pays you $200 a month in 2 years, and you deposit in the bank twice a year, two payments basically, you're going to have $4,896 in the bank.